So, ayun na guys, ayan, habang nagre-research nga pala ako with regards to connected entity violation, ayan, at least nakakita po ako ng tamang sagot para dito. So, under connected entity violation, aside po yung isang rason na hindi po na-verify yung account natin, which is another reason kung bakit nagkaroon ng violation or nagkaroon ng connected entity violation yung ating page, is ito din po. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, ayan, kapag ka ang admin has several pages with violations, they might get a connected entity violation. Which is true kasi yung isang account ko din ay marami pong mga pages doon. Yung gamit ko pa noon nung nagla-live selling pa ako. Ayan, connected yung isang page ko pa na hindi pa naman nagagamit. Ayan. And then, not knowing na meron palang mga violations yun na hindi ko na-check noon sa support inbox. And then, okay, maso-suspend or made-demonetize. Kung makita nyo, ayan, never monetize again.